Hello, I'm Jacqueline, Knowledge Anywhere's marketing lead, and today we're going to be going over badges and how to track them. So right now we're on the learner side LMS, and we're just going to go up to this top menu bar and click Achievements. Achievements is part of two pages, so we are automatically signed on to the badges section. You'll also be able to see benchmarks through the achievements. Today, we're only looking at badges. So here you can see what all of the badges available are and your status in completing them. If you'd like to see the courses that the badges are attached to, simply click the View Courses badge and scroll down. So let's say I'm a learner and I wanted to get this badge. I've never had it before and I haven't started it. I'd view the courses that the badge is attached to, and I'd click directly into this course and launch it. On the admin side, if you want to edit or add a badge, this is how this looks. So I'm just going to log into the admin view. It takes us to the home page and the home dashboard. But today I'm going to go up to content. This last section on the left-hand side, badges, shows you all of the badges that are available. If you'd like to edit, delete, or inactivate badges at any time, you can do so here. Today, we'll add a new badge just so you can see the full process from beginning to end. When you add a badge, you can select an image, one to your choosing. So let's say I like the crown. I'll also put a badge name. So let's say sales expert. And then I'll select a course that I think that this badge should go to. So let's do introduction to call centers since it's a sales, and we'll click it as active and save. You'll be able to see it here. And if you need to edit at any time, just click this edit button and it goes right to it. As for tracking badges, there are two ways to do this. The first of which is going to the user side. Right now, let's search a user. We can search my name just for an example. By clicking search, you'll be able to see this user and all of their activity. Click the transcript button and you'll be able to see everything that they've completed. So you'll see that I currently have 0 badges earned. When I do have badges, then you'll see the number of badges I have earned here, as well as a colored version of all of these badges that I have completed. The second way that you can track badges is through reports. If you click on the reports tab and go to badges on the left-hand side after user reports, you'll be able to see everybody who has taken the badges available. So you can search by badge or by user. For example, call center badge of honor. It looks like only one person has taken it. That is our quick run through of how to use and track badges. As always, if you need anything, please reach out to support@knowledgeanywhere.com.